Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys that I wanted to share. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So this wig is a 22-inch body wave wig from Alipearl. It's 180% density in a size large. So first I'm just starting with a little foundation on the lace just to tint it a bit. But let's get into the main point of this beautiful wig, and that is the hairline, you guys. They gave you a pre-plucked hairline, which saves you all the work, and the transition from the right to the front to where my hand is right now is awesome. Typically you don't get a very smooth transition, but this one you do from the start, so from your hairline all the way back. There is no huge, noticeable line of demarcation. So a great job, Alipearl. This saved me so much time. And here I'm just showing you guys the baby hair. Very simple. So I am just going to use my Lotta body to kind of mold the hair and smooth it out, kind of lay it flat. And so I'm just brushing it a bit. I'm going to take off a little bit of the baby hairs. You see me kind of pulling them out. I'm trying slowly to get away from baby hairs, but I realized I cannot go cold turkey with not doing them because I'm just so used to doing them. So each wig that I do, I'm just starting to do a little bit less and less and make them thinner and thinner. And another thing I like to do is add the setting lotion on the baby hair and then tie it down, because it just helps to make those hairs start coming forward versus me putting it on my head and then having to mold them. So it just, I don't know, it just helps me out a whole bit. So I'm just gonna tie that down a bit and then run my electric hot comb through the top. And then next I'm gonna lay this wig down with a little bit of Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle mixed with freeze spray, and then I'm just gonna blow dry it down like you see me doing here, and this is what you get. So this is the hair, the natural body wave that you will get. This is nothing done to it, no curls or anything like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop some curls up in this just to give me a little bit more volume. And yeah, so that's it, you guys. Just stay tuned, or just don't go anywhere, just finish watching this, and I will give you guys my final thoughts about this wig in just a second. So don't go anywhere, do not move. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So quickly, I just want to give you guys just my final thoughts on this wig. So I did not finish, I don't know if you guys noticed, but gluing down the sides right here, because I was thinking about giving this to someone in particular. However, I think I'm gonna keep this wig, because the more I wear it, the more I am in love with it. Okay, so just ignore that if you see the sides over here. All right, so again, let me tell you guys exactly what I'm wearing. I'm wearing Alipearl's 22-inch body wave lace front wig. It does have transparent lace. It's 180% density, and it is in a size large. So the main points I want to get into with this wig, definitely going to be the hair and the hairline. As far as any tangle shedding, not really getting any of that, but again, you guys, I've only had it on for today. Now about the hairline and the hair is gorgeous. I showed you guys the body wave by itself, which came absolutely beautiful, and I just added a little bit more curl just to zhuzh it up just a bit. Secondly, this hairline is awesome. Like, I really tried to focus in on the hairline for you guys, so that you'll really see exactly what you're getting. So it is a pre-plucked hairline, and you get about an inch worth of like pluckage. I don't really know the hair terminology, so I'm just gonna say pluckage. Typically whenever I see a pre-plucked hairline, which most companies do, by the way, now they say the hairline is pre-plucked, but a lot of times you may have to go back in and still pluck a little bit. I really didn't have to go back in and pluck any of this hair, as far as thinning the front out a little bit and making that easy transition. The work was already done for me, which could save a lot of time. I just wanted to go back in just a little bit more because I am practicing my technique and really wanting to learn how to make it look natural and not just thinning out a hairline. So that's two totally different things, two totally different videos. But anyways, so yeah, so if you really just don't want to pluck, I remember when I started wearing wigs, you just couldn't get me to pluck a wig. I was just not doing it. I'd heard I could rip the lace, I could overpluck, I can do this, I can do that. I was just like, you know what? I'm just not gonna do it. But this one, you don't have to worry about. So if you're like that, and you just don't even want to, you don't even have no tweezers, and you're not gonna buy no tweezers to go and pluck anything, this would be a really great wig for you. You definitely have to make your own baby hair, just as far as, you know, how short you want it and all that kind of stuff. But they do give you some, but I'm not even concerned about that because the plucking is the hardest part. And baby hair is just, you know, if you even want it, it's just an option, to be honest. School is about to be back in session. My teachers, some of you guys are back in school, so keep in mind with wanting something very easy, wanting to not have to put in so much work. So you guys are already putting in a lot of work. I know the last thing you would want is to have to worry about your hair 24/7. So to all my teachers who are looking for a really good protective style, a really nice wig as well, and something that can keep them, you know, just put together like so, this will probably be a really great option for you as well. So great job, Alipearl. I freaking love this wig. That's pretty much it, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and put them down below. If you do, you know I will answer you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JMarie, and I don't know what I'm doing with my hand, and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.